name is Victoria Pinder, eXp Realty. I'm happy to show you this home today. This one is again from Adams Homes. It is 2505 square feet, and honestly, this is one of my favorite of their homes. It like is a model. Two-door garage. You can see that this house is pretty much done and ready to be sold, and I think the price right now at the filming of this video is $393,000. And then you can just see it. What I love about it is you come in, you can definitely see who's coming with this little area. They have put Bermuda grass at the front, and then you come in, and then you have a couple options. We'll get rid of the street noise, and then you can hear more options. Okay, so you can have, it's not a formal foyer, but you can definitely put something here on this wall right by the front entrance. And on the other side, we're circling, you have an office. So you have an office right there by the front door. So you come in, if you don't want people to see your work, here is your office space. If you need it to be a fourth bedroom, it has a closet. So you can use this double door side room as an office, which I would think it is made for, or if you need a bedroom, you can make this a bedroom. And it's quite a lovely bedroom. Now coming back down the hallway a little bit, I still haven't shown you the main part of the house because I have a couple options. To my right is a half bath, but to my left over here is a couple bedrooms and a bathroom. So we're going to go down this hallway before, coming attractions of the main house is coming. The huge room and why this is my favorite is coming. You have a full bath over here because this is where the two kids' rooms are over here. A tub, a quartz sink. It's great. Nicolette on the ground. And then you have two bedrooms on either side. So if I come to the first bedroom over here, I love that I have all this light. I'm looking at the street. And then, of course, there is a closet over here. Double door, so it's fancy. It is new construction, so that means they have to unlock that for me. But you can see it's a very big closet. Very big closet. My husband, aka the person filming the video, hello, also couldn't open. They need to fix it. So moving on to the second one. You do have, of course, that I didn't show you, a hallway closet. So for your linens for that bathroom. Now we're going into the second of the kids' bedrooms. Again, this is not the primary. This one is quieter for the more quiet kid and also has a walk-in closet. This is a very big walk-in closet for the kids. And it's still a very nice room. You could fit a queen-size bed in here very easily. Right there. You could put a drawer, chest of drawers, or an armoire or something right on that wall in that little nook. And you have plenty, or you can make it a desk area. You have plenty of room in this it's a smaller room, it's not the primary, but it's a great room for a kid. Now we're going to go back down the hallway, and we're going to see the half bath. And then we will get into the main part of the house, because we're still all in the foyer section. So you have your half bath, so when guests come, they have a place to go that's not necessarily using the kids' bathroom, and it is not using the adult bathroom. Also, you have a closet. So when people come in from the front door, they can hang their stuff in the closet. And now we're going to walk into the main room, which I did not turn all the lights on for. So that's my bad. Let me turn the lights on here real quick. I think that's outside. We'll figure it out. But either way, main room, beautiful. You could definitely have honestly, I would put a couch. Maybe you want that area to be where you watch TV, and then have this, and then you kind of can sit around here, or you can make this truly open, put some couches over here, maybe put the TV way over there or over here, and then you really have a lot of open concepts, so many possibilities, because this is a huge living room. And notice how I just said living room because the dining room's over there. So we haven't got to that part yet. I can speak English, I promise. I've spoken it all my life. Ha ha ha. Okay, so also you have outside a nice lovely overhang to where you can just hang out on the balcony, and it is covered. So you just really, if you wanted to screen this part in, you could, but it is a lovely section. Ready to go back inside, or are you going to show more of the house? Let's go see the house. Okay, cool. Let's go back inside. This one, again, $393. So if you're looking for a nice luxury area, this is it. Now over here is this lovely kitchen, and then of course the living room area. And then we will go show the primary after. Obviously your formal dining is going to go here. I love that it has this nice trim, also tray ceiling. So it just has a lot of options. And then let's talk about the kitchen. This kitchen is awesome. Look at it. Like, this is an awesome kitchen. You have granite counters, double sink, electric microwave. But really, it's not about the things. Your refrigerator is going to go over there. But it's not just about where everything is. It's the space of things, including this huge pantry that my husband's going to film right now. Look at that huge pantry that you would have. So you have plenty of room for your supplies that you're trying to keep supplies for months and months and months. You have that. Refrigerator goes here, open concept, but you can still see everything is just on a bigger scale, lovely. Also, this laundry room is slash garage entrance. So if you park your car in the garage, you're going to come in through the garage. You're going to come into the laundry room. And you also have this nice little built-in cubby. So you have a cubby area, and we're going to continue on its way.
Just want to show the garage.
Okay. Very intense. You get the cubby area where you can hang all your shoes?
Yes.
Okay. Cool. Moving on, let's go check out the primary bedroom. Because that is obviously, besides lovely, oh, by the way, I don't know if you can see this in the video, but these are 10-foot ceilings in this section. So it's not just big here, it is big there too. When you feel big in a room, you actually feel small, which is a nice feeling. Now let's go to the primary. This is the bedroom. You could easily fit a king-size bed here. You could have that as a nook area. You could put the bed over there if you wanted instead, or in this nook area. You have lots of room. You have a tray ceiling with fans, and you could add a light to this fan if you wanted to, and then just have even more brightness. Now we come into the bathroom of the primary. Quartz, double sink. So I got in the way. I can show you this tile shower, linen closet, water closet behind me. We'll use the formal name. And now let's go into this huge closet area. Like, this is an L-shaped closet. So literally you can see you could make this into a nursery, to be entirely honest, if you wanted the nursery in your primary read. Not that I would put a kid in the closet, but you know, it's big enough to make it a bedroom. That's all I'm trying to say. So I hope you love the filming of these videos. We love doing them for you. If you have any questions and you want to buy this home, please contact us directly. We're happy to talk to you about how to buy it, and call us at 252-327-3357.